Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking this video. You should click on the subscribe button as well as the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm going to be continuing with bringing you recipes from the Middle East, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make hummus. Hummus is a popular Mid Eastern dish. It's actually a spread or a dip. Just think of peanut butter or of your butter or of your jam. That's the same way you should think about hummus. So hummus is eaten with bread. It could be used in baking. It could be used as a spread. It could be added to salad. It's actually used in multiple ways. And instead of you going to the store to buy your hummus, now you can make your hummus in the comfort of your house with this easy recipe. Let's start with the list of ingredients. So that's it guys, your hummus is ready to be served. Just drizzle paprika and a little bit of olive oil and you're good to go. It's so smooth and yummy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.